Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be cleaning and decorating my bedroom. As you can see here, I'm giving you just a plain overview of how the bedroom looked before I started. So I got a new rock and I put my old chandelier back because I have put the chandelier in this area and it stopped working. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this shot right here where I share with you what I'm doing. So here's all the before and let's jump right into cleaning, you guys. So with my husband's help, the first thing I did was obviously move the bed, clean underneath the bed. We vacuum really well and clean up and map and all of that good stuff. Unfortunately, none of that was recorded because my camera decided not to record it. But here I am just cleaning up the nightstands, the mirrors, and just cleaning throughout the room. So after I'm done cleaning my nightstand area, I move into cleaning my blinds, just dusting, and I still have my AC on because I get hot at night. So then I move into moving all the stuff that I throw on the dresser to clean this area around and putting things on their place, stuff like that. Honestly, I don't like to keep my dresser too cluttered. This is just because I started moving things from the nightstand into the dresser that you see is so much stuff here. But we're just gonna get it cleaned up and of course give it a pop of fall with some decor.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And then you say, oh, yeah. Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono.
So I make this very simple, cute floral arrangement for my bedroom, and I thought I'd give you guys a close-up of how I did it, but I guess I went into too close. But yeah, I just used some florals that I have running around in the house, and I created a little fall centerpiece here for this area.
Que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres.
Then I moved to styling my nightstands where are pretty small. There's not a lot of decor that goes in them, but I figure I add a little pop of something here. So I wanted to show you these really pretty pillow covers that I got on Amazon. They were $17 each, but totally worth it. The quality, it's amazing, you guys. And here I'm getting ready to put the bed back together with clean bedding, which feels so good, you guys.
Amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Inicio, el futuro, bebé, ya tú sabes.
I try to hide my feelings inside.
here and in this area to see if I like them there, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them there. But here's the hubby setting up for me these mirrors that I had for so long. You guys remember these were in my living room. So this is it, you guys. This is how the bedroom turned out. I am super happy with it. It looks stunning, and honestly, that new rug really completes the room. It's just one stunning piece, you guys.
You lost your head in the car line around 5 p.m. Wondering why we went. Wonder where you've been. Out there with your friends. Your cell phone all night long. Calling you. Wonder where you've been. Calling and calling and calling. Out there with your friends. Trying to reach. Cell phone all night long. Calling and calling.
Don't forget to check the description box for this beautiful rug. All the information will be there. You guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration and some motivation to clean and decorate your bedroom. I will see you guys on my next video. God bless.
Love me, mama, love me for days.